Christopher, the key for now appears to be finding technical skills in demand and perfecting them to appear more attractive to employers. Malika Kazia, KTN News.
Tourism stakeholders at the coast are optimistic that the sector will pick up following a 4-month dip owing to the coronavirus. Many hotels have begun to receive guests, albeit in low numbers. Local flight resumption is a beacon of hope for hotel owners, many of whom are expecting international tourism to gain momentum sometime next year. Some are also calling on the government to aid with expenses and waivers in this time through President Kenyatta's stimulus package.
As you know, Kenya Airways is already coming to Mombasa. Ethiopian Airlines is already coming to Mombasa. Internationally, we already have Lufthansa. We have the British Airways. They're already coming in. So it's starting to open up. We are not in full throttle yet, but we believe that in the next few months, we should be able to reach a situation whereby we are doing better than we did in the months of April, May and June.
I'm appealing to Waziri Najib Balala to effect the 2 billion stimulus plan to help these organizations, to help hotels and restaurants so that they're able to pay their bills, they're able to, stay afloat. Because if that is not effected immediately, then we are counting losses.